it's triple P designer. So I have a new design idea to implement. There is a proper context. We are going to start creating it from scratch. Few components are already available with me, but let's see what is the basic design requirement we are getting today, and we're gonna do it, convert it completely into a design, how it's gonna look in the final result. Okay, so let's see one of the requirement. This is a Android large screen size. I have taken 360 into 800. Okay, width and height. So this is the basic requirement. Initially you can see this is a coupon screen. Yeah, this is the offer screen where this is the part where we're gonna see one of the offer. Okay, so already solved one design, but let's go deep inside this. So if the offer name is 2000 flat off, like get up to 2000 flat off order of Californian almond pack of 12 into 2 kg worth 50,000. So I want the user should get redirected from this particular screen to apply this particular offer and into his or her cart and convert it into payment procedure and payment gateway. He can complete it by checkout page like that. Okay, so first of all, few things you can observe. What are the things already mentioned over here, and what are the things are missing? Valid till date, like the expired date of this particular offer already present. The header is also present. The subheading is also present. But we want by clicking, there should be a button, something which is missing. By clicking in on that, the user can redirect directly from this screen to the selection of California almond page, where he can see easily the pack of 12 and 2 kg of combination. Okay, so yeah, let's have I have some elements, so I just prefer to drag it and drop it. So this is what I have already done. Yeah, by this particular milestone completion dignifies till hitting 2000. He can just uh, go through step by step, but for now he already added few elements. I think this is doesn't dignifies properly how what are the things he is missing, what are the products already added, what are the number of products he have Californian almond already added in his cart. So this particular milestone tracker is not that worth it to visualize over here. So let's see what will be the final result. Yeah. This is the before look. I have done enough research regarding this was the earlier stage of the UI looking like. So these are the cards, offer cards, providing users having a statement like adding 2 SKU, AK preferred having some amount and expiry date mentioned like this. I converted this complete one page screen to look like our offer should be look like this. And directly here you can see there is no action button to apply this particular offer into the card, user's card. So in here in this card, user can directly click on apply offer, and he get a flexibility of visualizing his Just wait. Yeah, his own screen where he can get a pop-up slide in from below, but below part, lower part of the lower navigation part, and he can change on seeing like what is the highest amount of deduction amount he gonna get. Like 2000 is already written, but when he drag this particular thing from left to right, the amount of packs of this particular product get increases. And after that also he can see the offer also get initiated up to 500 to 2000. So once it get 2000 to 2000, this particular bar will reach to the end, and this is how it's gonna work for the user. And once he after all these changes, he click on add, which is initially disabled. We can just make it disable like this, just making it grayer in scale, like yeah, grayer in scale. So user can it's not active, and once he done with all those changes, complete this path. Like we bound user to get this particular offer to complete his complete journey in this particular almond section. um, so user can easily drag it to the end, and once he done, then this button get activated to add button. And once this button get activated to add, then user can directly click on this, and all those pack of set of almond Californian almond get added to his or her cart. Then after all those product get added in his or her cart, he can directly go to the checkout section. Once this is the initial logic, I have implemented this particular statement to this design. So hope to see you soon, and that's all. We can see and experiment more beautiful design work in further future. Stay tuned and do subscribe, do like my video to know more about Figma hacks and new design ideas regarding B2B or supply chain related designs or SaaS related platforms. You can explore like more than more areas regarding food sector or supply chain sector or health sector. We gonna do revamps and re-changes of all those products available in the market, like web design and app design. Specifically, I focus initially in this app particular area, so we can explore more. So stay tuned and do subscribe, do like my channel. Hope to see you soon, and also don't forget to comment if you have any more further ideas to let me know, because I am also in learning phase. You guys can help me to learn more in for the future. So thanks a lot, have a great day, bye bye, see you soon, signing off.